Today lecture I'm going to discuss about how to sort our dictionary by value in C#.NET. So this code that I already written to save some times. So the important thing is for understanding. So starting from the first line. So here I'm using system namespace because the definition of console clause that's written inside the system namespace. And the next is here collection.generic is required because dictionary key value pair the definition that comes inside the collection.generic namespace. The next that I'm using link because order by that comes under the link namespace. After that, the next is if you debug the code, then control comes to main method that coincide. So here console.writeLine method. So this are displaying to the output screen. There I created the dictionary class object. Dict has the two parameter, one is string and int, and here new dictionary string int. So string int, then you can pass only string value first, then you can integer, and this is add method is used to add the elements or key value pair inside the dictionary. So this all that added on the dictionary. After that, this is on order wise. So here I'm going to make that order. So first parameter is for key, then next is value. So here the next is for each loop that I'm using. So dict.order by. So dict is the object and this called the order by. So doing the order on the value basis. So key that call the value. Then here smallest value is now 10. Next is 20. Like this that continue. So first time that 10 comes, 10 that go there on the lane. Then lane that added the key value and or value pair. After that the loop continue. Next is 23 Friday. So that comes lane that receives. So lane here key value is now Friday and value is now 23 that comes like 10 23. Then after 45 56 78 that's the display. So let's run this code and now you can check the output first. So here 10 23 45 56 78 it's all display. So this is doing the sorting. So here link namespace that is required to use the order wise. After that here console.writeLine. So we can not only use only a integer to do the sorting. We can also apply for the string also. So this are displayed to the output screen. Then dictionary class or object created dict has the two parameter int and strings. After that this element that added. Now the next is here you can see I'm doing the sorting on the basis of this string basis. So dict order by so key value. So first parameter is key, next is value. So value is now Monday. So here this what happened here. So on the alphabet the first character like ABCD. Okay, on the basis of this do the sortings. So here you can see if that come first. So here that print F and Friday on first. So after sorting this put the value on lane and then after lane key value is now 5 and value is now Friday that display. So now you can run this code. So here you can see 5 Friday it's displaying. Then F after that M come. Here you can see TT twice times. So H is the come on the alphabet order first. That's why THRUS displaying here U next. W on the last so that it's displaying on the last position. Okay. So here I did the sorting on the basis of string wise using alphanumeric ascending order and here integer sorting. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.